Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this month's mystery kit and I'm so excited. I am ready to use this kit. It is so pretty and I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to think. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit first, but look at this kit. Let me show you. Okay. So this is kind of like a winter kit. So I like to kind of do like seasonal, like I did a couple fall ones and I wanted to do like a winter theme and I just think this turned out so pretty. It's the only winter theme I have planned for mystery, but it's just so cute. So I'll go through the kit first and then we'll go into the extras. But I'm just so excited. So this is a very kind of like a ski, snowy kind of vibe. It doesn't snow for me in Texas, but I always just love the aesthetic of snow. So I think I'm probably going to be using this in January. Our mystery kit always does include exclusive art and it's everything. So I love the colors. You have like a blue, a purple, a gray, and then a really pretty like powder blue. Full boxes here. Love this candle. I love the brown and the green, though it's not represented in the colors. I love it in the full boxes, and I did pull the wood into the bottom washi with what looks like kind of like snow sprinkle, which I thought looked cute in the full boxes as well. You have a girl and then a really cute deer over here, and I love this scene. It is so pretty. I really want to go somewhere where it snows. So this is the icons page. You have your half boxes page. You have a faux silver like sprinkle glitter throughout, which is so cute. I also think this would look really pretty with hollow or sparkly hollow, but silver is kind of like my main thought. And then you have the deco page, which is super cute. I'll show you guys a little bit of zoom in on that one. And then there is the new little things page. So all mysteries from here on out will have the new little things page. I actually changed up some stuff for next month, which is really exciting. So you guys will see that in next month's release. And then over here you do have the two extra full boxes. This is probably my favorite box in the whole kit. Actually, it's just so pretty with the toasting marshmallow. And then you have like the wine and the little decor in the background there. And then, like I said, I did pull in the brown in the bottom washi. And then there is in the ultimate kit, you do get the 15mm strip, just purple, which I think purple and brown are so pretty together. Or you can use this by itself. It's so cute. Oh gosh. And I love the green sprinkled throughout, like here and in the backgrounds. It's just definitely one of my favorite winter. Actually, as far as winter kits go, I think it is my favorite winter kit ever. Then there was some extras in the ultimate. So you do get the 15mm strip. You get the glitter headers, which has the silver sprinkled throughout, the label sampler, and then there is some fashion girls. So you have the full box fashion girls. There is a puppy. There's like a little husky there. And then you have the two tall box fashion girls with like the kind of ski lift in there. I love this. What is this called? Like a lamppost as well. Super cute. And I love this kit so much. So much. And I'm definitely going to be using it in January. Maybe like a January to March transition would be really cute. There also are some other extras in here. So first things first is you do get the journaling card, which Kirsten pointed out I made a glowing spelling mistake in there. Mystery kits is one of my favorites, so forgive me, please, but I thought this journaling card was too cute. Too stinking cute. And our mystery kits, they're no longer for sale. So when you see this is already shipped and it is no longer available to purchase. But if you want to try and snag it, I would definitely go to our buy, sell, trade group on Facebook, and they do like sometimes pop up on there, and they usually do go quite fast though, so definitely set some notifications for that. There is also a vinyl in this one, which I just loved this candle. So cute. So it's like a little evergreen candle. It is in the full boxes right here. Super cute. Love that. And then there is the matte freebie. So you have the matte silver freebie, and then I did include the twinkle wiggle. So this is the twinkle with the silvers. You have the bottom washi, you have the script sampler, you have the cutout icons, you have the 3 of the full boxes half cut headers, and then the header overlays, as well as the circle icons with date numbers, the food and drink doodles, and also the deco sheet. So that is everything in the ultimate kit. I am super excited about this month. Again, I plan on using this in probably maybe the first week of March. Maybe the first week of March or the last week of January. I think those would be between the two that I'm looking at. So super cute though. And then this is the mini kit. So the mini kit is the more affordable option. So you do have the journaling card. There is the full boxes, the deco page, the functional page, the new mini kit page. So this one's definitely well loved. The new mini kit page, you have the bottom washi, the glitter headers, and the label sampler, and then the matte foil freebie. So that is the mini kit. So the mystery spots do open up once a month pending availability. They closed kind of a little bit faster last month just because we didn't have as many spots open, but I am going to be opening more this month for you guys. Next month is an anytime kit, which I really love, but I also think it's a really good transition, again, either into February or out of February, but 100% could be an anytime kit, which I love, and that will have a little bit of a format change for mystery, but it's honestly nothing like you're not losing anything. So it's a good hint, but I'm really excited about it, and I think there's 100% chance that you will love it, 110% chance that you will love it. So I'm really excited about that. So those spots, I'll leave a link to like the mystery frequently asked questions page where I do list whenever we're gonna have spots open. So that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that you guys like it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.